set the lights to a pulsating breathing mode, or keep all the LEDs in solid mode. I really like to have purple on the top, green in the middle, and blue in the bottom zones set to breathing mode. And since this is an enhanced PowerA controller, it features extra in-game features you're going to love. First of all, the Spectre Infinity has 2 advanced gaming buttons on the back that are easily mappable to nearly every button on the controller. You can do this on the fly, mid-game. Seriously, you can do this so fast and not miss a beat. This Xbox controller also has 3-way trigger locks, so you can quickly adjust your trigger pulls to short, mid, or long range to match your game and your playstyle. While lights and mappable buttons and 3-way trigger locks are fantastic features, we're not even close to done yet. This officially licensed Xbox controller is packed with the immersive enhancements you need and love, including dual rumble motors, a share button, a 3.5mm stereo audio jack, and an easy-to-access volume dial with one-touch mic mute. And with a high-quality 10-foot braided USB cable, you can play from nearly anywhere in your room. So add a little more light to your gaming setup with the Spectre Infinity Enhanced Wired Controller for Xbox Series X and S. It's brilliant.
The most enthusiast level experience yet in a mass-produced gaming keyboard.
The Razer purple optical switches. They're that good.
So they have laser beams inside of them.
These optical switches are the best gaming-centric switches on any keyboard right now.
I love the new switches.
And this new upgrade just makes them even better.
I was completely surprised at how fantastic they felt.
When you're gaming, oh my god, that is going to make a big difference.
Overall, in my opinion, the Huntsman Mini is the best Razer keyboard that they've produced yet.
They've really listened to community feedback over the years.
Razer is really the only company who are reaching out to reviewers and media and community.
Razer has really put forth a real contender for your money for a 60% keyboard.
The Razer Huntsman Mini is a solid recommendation.